Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2007 Harley Davidson CVO Road King. I'm going to show you. Blue and black, lots of black powder coating on this bike. Factory flames on it, CVO paint scheme. Other custom goodies on it. High flow air cleaner with a custom paint. This bike's got the Screamin Eagle 110 with a 6-speed. Also got true duals on it. Set of Reinhardts. Got the CVO dash up here. It's only got 17,948 miles on it. Real nice sound with the true duals and Reinhardts. Good tire there on the back. Put you a new tire on the front. Does have a few signs of wear on it. Just very minor here. Actually, that's a bug on that front fender. It's got the all blacked out powder coated front end and wheels. The CVO trim here, the chrome trim and nut covers. Engine guard, extra set of driving lights, highway pegs, chrome switch housings and levers, hand grips. Set of ape hangers on it. I think these are probably about 12 or 13 inch steel braided lines. Windshield bag, and windshield's pretty clean. You can see through it really well. I don't see any scratches or dings or anything on that. There's a few minor little scratches around on the bike. Color match frame. Bag rails. The bags on this bike, these leather bags, have some scuffs and marks on them. There's a little ding right here in this rear fender. Black powder coated luggage rack. It's a detachable luggage rack and backrest. It's got the big touring seat on it. As you can see, this bag's got some pretty good scuffs on it. Bike went through our shop and was checked out. Scratch right here on that side cover. Serviced, and it's ready to ride. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 888-400-1151. That's toll free. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. This bike's also got electronic cruise control on it. Makes it really handy on a trip. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.